Whatever, everyone, welcome to WickedTUBE. I woke up this morning feeling tired, lazy, and I thought, you know what, yeah, I'm not going to do nothing. The weather was looking bad, but it's like 1 o'clock now, as you can tell, and the sun is shining, blessing us, you know what I mean? So I thought I might as well get something to eat. I thought, you know what, I might as well make a video out of it. I'm going to head out to Subway right now, get everything on the menu. Hopefully they actually let me get everything on the menu and see how disgusting it might be. Good, it might be filling, but I'm really hungry, that's all I know. So I'm going to step out, guys, and next thing you'll see, I'll probably be in Subway.
Perfect, perfect,
Yo, I'm the lads. When I say everything on the menu, everything.
I will try to see if they actually let me. For all we know, they might not even let me buy everything, you know what I mean?
Even that little vegetarian, little whatever, that little thick ass cuboid.
That veggie patty, whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever that is, that looks nasty.
That is the one. That's probably going to be my base.
Every kind of sauce.
Every sauce. Is it left to right? Left to left. Just go back. Left to left. But yeah, every sauce. Salad, lettuce, toppings, everything.
Salad sauce, everything, man, guys.
Saucy sauce, you know what I mean?
And yo, you get no drink to wash it down, like.
What?
You get no drink to wash it down.
At all?
Nah, none of that drink.
What if the lady gives me a free drink?
Listen, I'm drinking that drink, lad. Straight up, no drink.
At all?
Nothing.
That's mad, that's mad. Yo. It's gonna be a bit long.
It'll be awful.
No, that's not necessary.
Nah, it's necessary. It's
Well,
necessary. It's necessary.
It's gonna be basically a few random stuff. Is that okay? Yeah. So which one?
Rotisserie.
Can I get first the BMT, Italian BMT to start off with? Yeah. Yep.
No.
It's a bit weak.
It's a bit weak. She's not big on that.
No, I'll just ask for a double up if possible. That's what I was thinking. Like, it's collab, innit?
Oh,
Another one on top of it. Can I get that steak, please? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 scoops. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, just 1 scoop then. And can I get this, please? What's that?
Tuna.
No, yes, that one.
Oh no, I think that's turkey bacon.
I know it's good. No, I'm getting for that.
We can feel it just last time.
Hey, you want?
Yeah.
I'm done. Oh yeah. Well, I see a movie like that.
And can I get one of each of these ones, please? These chickens. Yes, please. Yes. No worries at all. It doesn't matter about the frozen. That's mad. You probably don't.
We just laugh over it.
Do you reckon? We just around it, we just done that and then that, and then just finish up. Do you reckon?
Yeah.
You know, yeah, but you know that's not going to close, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter about the clothes.
Yeah, but how are we going to wrap it?
Put another flatbread on top.
Put another flatbread if you don't mind. Yeah, to close it up like that. If that makes sense. Yeah, it doesn't matter. 2 salads is fine. Yes, please. Both of them, if you don't mind. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is getting a bit mad.
And then BMT, that's a mess. I mean, how are we going to do this?
Can you not put another flatbread on top of it?
Oh,
and then just charge me for it, it doesn't matter.
We're going to do it today because he did it already.
Oh, yeah.
We're not allowed.
Oh, no worries, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Yes, if you don't mind.
Can I get a 6-inch chicken spotlight melt? Oh, Italian.
Oh, sorry about that. Plenty hell.
Are you feeling about that? That's it.
Are we getting sacked?
Are you costing money job?
Cheese on it.
What's wrong with
I
you?
feel guilty.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
How's it gonna work? It's not gonna work. Oh shit, sorry.
What you say?
It's a bit hot. But not onion, yeah. It's getting a bit reckless.
You got some body in habits, bro.
I swear.
You got some body in
I'm
habits.
just a bit hungry. Yes.
Cool. Everything, but obviously, no onions here. Can't have onions. You're something. You're terrible, bro. You're terrible, man.
Any drink?
No drink.
$16.99.
That's kind of bad, that. That's kind of bad.
What sauce?
I don't know, anything.
Mayo, please. Thank you. Right, I'm going to run because I'm just about to pay for my
That actually looks nice. I don't know.
You really think so?
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do. See you later. Bye.
Salad. Can I get lettuce,
It's wet, lad.
onions,
That looks wet.
That's great, thank you.
peppers?
No, we'll just take it like that.
I'm not gonna eat these. You need, I don't know, whole family.
It's a lot of people.
That's not bad, though. They don't look bad. Yeah, hold it flat, though. Hold it.
See you later.
Yo, show us some see, lad.
It's actually not bad though, still.
Yo,
£14.
that's some ridiculousness, man. That's why they didn't even show up half the things that are in there. They didn't even show up half the things that are in there, man. You just want to sack it and just guess the number, lad.
I think so, you know. Wow, that's mad. Read that though.
How's that one
Look how
sandwich, man?
massive it is.
That is a hefty.
Oh, fat sandwich. You see, guys, it's literally like a miniature baby that I'm holding. This is so fat. I might have actually got more than I can eat. You know what I mean? It's what they say. Don't bite more than you can chew. I think that's just a bit too much. But anyway, this is the final test. Let's see. Get rid of that. No one wants it. My gosh, how many wrapping paper did we use? What the hell? It's not even unnecessary. See that, guys? So we got the greens. We got protein, all the sauce. Gotta put jalapenos, damn it. Anywho, I'm thinking,
Cut it off.
should I cut it in half?
Yeah, that's the way to go.
I'm gonna get a knife. I had to get this. I couldn't find any other. But this is a bread knife, and this is a flat bread. So you get me. Woo! Slice it right in the middle. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. Nearly there, guys. I don't want to be damaging the table. So now, right in the middle again.
Right through the
Like
that. Yeah.
One strip in it.
You're a brave man for eating this.
Woo! What's he saying? It's a bit too dark.
No.
You cool. Can always put the brightness up. Bam. So let's try it first, guys. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna get this little lonely chicken. Not really all that. Never get that chicken anyway. But yeah, wish me luck, guys. I still got all that to go through.
What's this saying?
Way too many flavours. I don't even know what I'm tasting.
Jalapenos.
Go on, describe the flavors of it.
There's literally no flavor. There's like 15 different flavors in one. I don't know what I meant to taste and when I meant to taste it. But so much meat, I don't think I'm gonna eat meat for the next month. I need a drink.
Don't drink, my guy.
This is so thick to swallow. No, gosh.
Show me how thick it is. Okay, though.
And it's so doughy.
I told you not to get no flatbread, G.
I should have stuck with the normal bread. Oh my gosh.
I came prepared in the water, you know.
Ain't no way am I stuffing myself with a bunch of dough like that with no water. Guys, stay dehydrated. None of that thirsty niggas.
How's that water feeling like?
I never drank water like this.
Alright, you look like you're fresh from South Africa.
Oh, look at the belly. Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
Woo! As you can see, guys, I still got the other half, the 6-inch, 12-inch. But anyway, I finished a full 12 to myself. It wasn't really that disgusting as I thought it would be. It wasn't that nice as I thought. You know what I mean? It was literally, it's one of them ones. But I've drank a few of my drinks. I'm going to be heading out now. I feel stuffed. I might not even eat for the rest of the day. It's literally about 2 o'clock right now. I might not even eat for the rest of the day. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Tell everyone, guys. There could be more videos.